Hello students, I'm Dr. Daniel. Right now we're going to work a marginal revenue product problem. Remember, marginal revenue product is the additional revenue that a firm gets when they hire another worker. So let's look at a strawberry farm. And this is the number of pickers, and this is the total output. One worker picks 5 boxes of strawberries an hour, so his marginal product is 5. The second worker generates another 5 boxes, so the total output is 10. When you have 3 workers, they can pick 14 boxes an hour. Diminishing marginal returns kick in. So the third worker's marginal product is 4 boxes, and so on. So you see the total output and the marginal product. Now, total revenue is price times quantity. When strawberries are $2 a box, the marginal revenue product of the first worker would be, that's not a 6, that's a 10, would be 5 boxes at $2 a box is $10, and that marginal revenue product would be 10. The second worker also raises revenue by $10. So the second worker produced 5 boxes of strawberries, $2 a box, that's a $10 marginal revenue product. When you hired the third worker, total revenue only increased by $8. When you hired the fourth worker, total revenue only increased by $6. The fourth worker generates $4 of additional revenue. The fifth worker and the sixth worker generates only $2. So when you look at this problem, you ask yourself, if the minimum wage were $15 an hour, which one of these pickers would have a job? And the answer is none. The best pickers can only generate $10 an hour in revenue. So the farmer is shutting this field down and not hiring anybody to pick. If the price of labor is $10 an hour, he's going to hire the first 2 workers, no one else. If the wage rate is $8 an hour, he will hire 3 workers, but not 4, because that worker can only generate $6 of revenue an hour, okay? Now suppose the price of strawberries went up. Well, that makes things better for the strawberry farmer and for the workers, because more of them will have jobs. If the price of strawberries is $4 a box, the first worker generates $20 in revenue, and her marginal revenue product is $20. The second worker also picked 5 boxes at $4 a box, was a $20 marginal product. The third worker contributed $16. 4 boxes additional at $4 a box is another $16 worth of revenue. The fourth worker contributed $12, and so on. Now, who's going to get hired here? Well, if the minimum wage is $15 an hour, the first 3 workers are going to be hired, but nobody else. If the wage is $12 an hour, all 4 of the first workers will be hired, but not the last 2. So when the prices of the goods and services go up, that makes it better for the owners, but it also makes it better for employees because more of them will have jobs. When the wage rate rises, fewer workers will have jobs. Why? Because their marginal revenue product will not cover their wage, okay? So you have to make sure that when you have a job, that you're generating enough marginal revenue product and creating enough value for the employer that he is better off with you than without you. See you next time.